Hey, real talk. Are you exhausted? Are you trying to keep up with posting on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and your newsletter all at once? The pressure to be everywhere is real, and it's a fast track to burnout. But what if I told you that fastest growing creators I know only publish one major piece of content a week? Think about that. One video, one podcast episode, and yet they show everywhere, every day. How is that even possible? Are they secretly working 24 hours 7? Are they just genius? No, the answer is a system. They didn't create more content, they create a better system. And today, I'm going to show you that exact system so that you can stop burning out and start scaling up. Hey guys, this is Uday and you're watching Channel Operation. Here we break down the fundamentals behind the product, brand and marketing. Most creators are stuck in what I call the paradox of more. They believe that more content equals more growth, but all it leads to is you're using all your creative energy on inventing new ideas, not delivering deep value. Your message gets watered down and lose its impact because you're separate, so thin. You constantly reach to trends instead of protectively building a valuable asset. And that leads to much deeper problem, which we'll get in a minute. What if I told you that with a one core piece of content per week, you could show up 5 different platforms and deliver a powerful, consistent message without losing your mind? Let me show you how to build a machine, not just a bunch of random posts. Here's a system I teach that allows a creator to post less and grow more. I call the content engine. Think of it like this. Your content is not just a bunch of isolated posts. It's a train and each car serves a purpose. The train is your main powerful piece of content, and everything else is repurposed from it. I will divide this content train into 3 sections. Section 1, core content. This is your big idea for the week. It's your piece of deep, authoritative content that builds a real trust. It could be 10 to 15 minutes YouTube video, a long form podcast episode, or a detailed blog post. This is the heart of your brand. Section 2, the micro content. From that one core piece, you slice and dice into smaller, more digestible pieces. Designed for specific platforms, you're not reinventing, you are repurposing. From one video, you can get 3 to 5 short clips from Reel, TikTok or YouTube Shorts. One carousel post for Instagram or LinkedIn. 2 quote graphics or X-style post. 1 email summary to your list. If you think you can't catch up with all these, pick the 3 main ones first. You're not creating new ideas, you are just reframing your most valuable ones. Section 3, distribution. You have a full content schedule for the week. One big idea, 5 touch points. 10 times the trust. This is how you stop creating and start scaling. But here's where most people get this wrong. Remember my client Leo from the last video who tried to repurpose and failed miserably? He took his 15-minute YouTube video script and simply pasted it on LinkedIn post. The results? His audience ignored it. So what did he miss and why didn't it work? The mistake is thinking that repurposing means copy-pasting. It does not. Repurposing is about re-engineering your content for native energy of each platform. I tell you how to walk through that right way using a recent YouTube video of mine as example, where I show up choosing the right platform when building a personal brand. I highly recommend that you check it out. A bit boring, but yeah, at least you know if you're on the right track. Now let's get back to our repurposing strategy. The Instagram isn't a random clip. It's a 15-second hook that takes the video with a fast-paced text and trending audio tracks. It's designed to stop the scroll and create curiosity. A carousel post isn't just a script, it's a visual headline or a side one, and it breaks down mistake with a simple punchy visual and a consist tip over 5 to 7 slides. It's designed to be easy consumed. LinkedIn post isn't just a script either. It's a short engaging narrative about a client who made their mistake, the result they got and how you fix it. It's designed for professional, tough leadership. Do you see the difference? It's not about making one thing fit everywhere. It's about making everything fit a specific platform. And that's how you turn one big idea into weekly worth of value, not repetitive content. I know what you're thinking right now. Won't people get bored if I say the same thing everywhere? My answer is definite. Nope. Here's why. First, different platforms have different audience. Most people won't even see your all content. Second, your message is delivered in different format and context each time. Repeated isn't boring, it's essential for learning. People need to hear your message 7 to 10 times before they truly internalize it and take action. Consistency builds memory and memory builds trust. When your audience see you everywhere, they start to think the person is good to expert for this. Remember Sarah from a few episodes ago? She was overwhelmed and her brand was dying because she was trying to create a new content every day. The content engine is the exact system that would have saved her, and it's the exact system that makes that lazy creator so successful. So let's recap. You don't need to be everywhere at once. You just need to have a system that makes it feel like you are. And that's what we have built today. A machine, a content engine. And here's the final thought. What's the one thing that can supercharge this content engine, allowing you to grow even faster without doing more work? What's the one tool that top 1% creators use to intensely tap into someone else's audience of hundreds and thousands of people? That's what we'll talk about next time. We'll dive into how to grow your audience even faster by leveraging the power of other people. We're going to talk about the collaboration, guest content, and influencer crossovers. Before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe and grab that free content engine starter kit below. It's a simple one-page guide that will help you plan your weekly core content and all of your micro content, step by step. It's a blueprint to finally beating burnout. And don't forget to comment below what's the one piece of core content you're going to create this week. If you like this video, you probably love this one too. Or check out my full playlist, Personal Branding. See you in the next one. We will talk about how to get your first collaboration.